Because it's an open secret that I work in the UK predominantly, even though I work in Ghana as well. But you would find that even some consultants in UK hospitals, and Dr. Asiasa knows this, earn more than the Prime Minister. Because as you know, all three of you on the moderators today, Winston and Raymond, have lived in the UK, and you know that these salaries are published openly, so you can find the consultants range, you can find everything. You know what the Prime Minister is.
Yeah.
And there are some consultants who earn more than the Prime Minister, and you know that. And that is why I'm saying pay more in what sense? Is it pay more in such that their salaries are pegged based on their skills, as is done in some countries, so that yes, if he might be a consultant and is earning more than the Prime Minister, but nobody cares? Or pay more and ensure that their purchasing power, say, if when they graduated as a house officer, their salary was equivalent to £1,500 or $1,500 a month. Having worked for 10 years, whatever they are earning is equivalent to, say, $2,500 a month, because that would also be paying more. Those are the serious conversations we need to have, because that the economics of it all is also got to do with political will and decision making. Because if you say, in countries like the UK, where the Prime Minister knows, like when Boris Johnson was taking on well, he had to be taken to baths. You'll not be taken anywhere down to the hospital in your constituency. And all of you know that because of, what do you call it, the locality demarcations and all that, unless there is a subsequent referral. So the Prime Minister knows that to maintain that consultant in this country, so that when I'm unwell and I'm taking to him, I get the best health care. This is the, what do you call it, the going rate. Unfortunately, we've not designed our health system that way. Whether we like it or not, our politicians would sit on the next flight if they could and they were stabilized to go and see these consultants who are earning more than their Prime Minister.
Yeah.
So you see the cognitive dissonance in the question I ask. As in, what do you mean by paying more? Is it just to ensure that you maintain their purchasing power, or you are paying for the true value of their skills? Because they are two different conversations.